What do you really get out of exposing someone's life? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So you have to really think about how you're living your life. Part of becoming the best version of yourself, part of growing and attaining success, whatever that looks like to you, is being able to treat people the same exact way you would like to be treated. And that involves telling people the truth and not exposing people's situations. There's some people that just live off drama. Some people that just love to hear that someone's going through a situation, and then they're so quick to tell the next person. They're so quick to go on social media and expose them. They're so quick to go on social media and reveal the true version of that person. You have to really think, what do you get out of exposing someone? What do you get out of exposing someone's life? Everyone has a situation that they don't want to be seen. Everyone has a situation that they don't want to come out in public. There's a reason why what happens behind closed doors should stay behind closed doors. In relationships, in business, and whatever it may be, as soon as you get some sort of happiness within your life, or as soon as you're becoming successful, you're becoming somebody, you've really built your life the way you should be, someone from your past will try and creep in and expose you and expose that person you used to be. Or they'll come with ridiculous stories, or maybe you've dated someone in the past and they've got pictures of you, or they've got some sort of leverage or something, or they've kept something that may actually not paint you in a positive light, and they feel like they have to expose you. You have to really think, if you're that kind of person, what are you gaining from this situation? Aside from dragging someone else down, would you feel good knowing that someone's life is crumbling down because of something that you've done? Because of, let's say they said something really silly years ago, or they were young and they said something that is a bit unacceptable, or they didn't really think back then, or whatever it may be. People change. You can't hold on to people's past mistakes. That person, you may have said something hurtful before, but now you're a changed person. Now you've grown, now you've learned from your mistakes. Some people love to dig up your mistakes. What if you've learned from your mistakes and you've moved on, became a better person since? You're no longer that person. You see this with successful people, celebrities, or whatever it may be, where people are always trying to expose them doing something, exposing them without makeup, exposing them going into a shop with a mysterious person, exposing that they're cheating, whatever it may be, exposing them. If you're that kind of person that exposes people, you have to really think, what's lacking within yourself? What are you missing in your life that you have to dig up people's bad sides? You have to dig out people's drama. You have to dig out people's insecurities. You can't live your life digging up people's insecurities and spreading rumors. So you have to really be careful at how you're saying things about other people. For example, if you're in a relationship and that relationship didn't end well, your next partner isn't entitled to all the details that happened within that relationship. You can tell them that it didn't work out, but they're not entitled. Don't go around spreading and revealing everyone's mistakes and unveiling the skeletons in people's closets. It's not your business. It's not your place to be able to reveal people. So you have to really think at what's really morally wrong with you if you're exposing people. Don't live a life where you feel like the only way you can fix a void in your life is by revealing people's mistakes, by revealing people's drama, dirty laundry, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't serve a purpose for you. It doesn't make your life any better. Your life will still be exactly as it is, if not worse, because you have to really think you must be really low to go around exposing people. So live life and treat people the way you'd like to be treated, and stop exposing people's drama. Focus on your own life. Focus on what you've got going on. Who cares if Mr. Jones cheated on Mrs. Jones with Mr. Smith? Who cares? It's none of your business. Let them live their lives. Let people live their lives the way they want to, and get on with yours. And that's all part of becoming the best version of yourself, is focusing on what you've got to offer. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next one.